guys, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach all of you Valentine's Day vocabulary, but things are about to get romantic. In this video, I will head to the store and show you guys all the things they sell for Valentine's Day. And also, I will teach you all a couple of phrases or pickup lines used to flirt. But before heading to the store, I want to teach you guys what is Valentine's Day and what day is it celebrated. Valentine's Day is celebrated on February 14th. And Valentine's Day is celebrated all over the world. And on this holiday, people celebrate it by giving love and affection to their significant others, to their family members and friends. But now, let me know if you celebrate Valentine's Day in your country. The first vocab word you're going to learn is pickup line. What is a pickup line? A pickup line is a phrase that is used to start a conversation with someone that you're interested in romantically. And why do people use pickup lines? Well, it's a good conversation starter and it helps break the ice, so it relieves the tension for the conversation. I'm gonna read a couple of pickup lines, but let me know down below if you like them. The first pickup line is, "Are you a thief? Because you've stolen my heart." The second pickup line is, "Do you have a name or can I call you mine?" This one is pretty good. The third pickup line is, "Your hand looks heavy. Can I hold it for you?" Pickup lines are a great way to break the ice and start a conversation. But before teaching you all more pickup lines, I want to hear some of your pickup lines. How would you flirt with someone you're interested in? I just mentioned the word flirt, and that's the second vocab word we're going to learn today. What does it mean to flirt? When you flirt with someone, you try to attract them. You're trying to have a romantic relationship with them. There are a couple of ways to flirt. So the first one is to give verbal cues or compliments. So you can compliment someone and say, "I like your hair. Your hair is beautiful." Or you can say, "I like your shirt." Or you can give some other compliments, like for example, "You're cute." Or, "I like your smile." Another way to let someone know that you're interested in them by flirting is by using your body language. So you can lean into a conversation, you can smile, you can touch someone, touch their hand, touch their thigh, or another great way to flirt with them is through your eyes with eye contact. If I want to flirt with someone with my eyes, I would do this. Did I do well? Let me know down below. Before teaching you more Valentine's Day words, I want to ask you, have you had a change of heart with language learning? Do you feel like at first you were improving at learning a language, but now you feel like you can't make any progress? If you find it hard to become fluent, I want to tell you about today's sponsor, Preply. Preply is an interactive language learning platform where you can take lessons from native teachers from the United States, Spain, France, Germany, China, and many more countries. Preply teaches you to speak a new language naturally. And to be honest, Preply has made me fall in love with the language I'm learning. You can take lessons anytime and schedule a lesson that fits your budget and busy schedule. If you want to learn English or a new language, use my code Ariannita50 for a 50% discount on your first trial. Thanks to Preply for sponsoring this portion of this video. Let's get back to the video. The third Valentine's Day vocab word is crush. Is that the same word you use to crush a sheet of paper? Yes, but that is a verb, and when I say crush, that is a noun. And if you have a crush, that means you have romantic feelings toward a person. So you can have a celebrity crush. For example, I have a crush on Justin Bieber. Or you can have a crush on your classmate. But when you have a crush, you'll normally just keep it all inside of you, and that person won't know you have a crush on them. For example, Justin Bieber doesn't know I have a crush on him. My celebrity crush, Justin Bieber, was just an example. But if you have an actual crush, what do you feel inside when you see them in person? Well, you might have butterflies in your stomach, and that just basically means you might feel nervous when you see them or when you're around them. You also might feel excited and happy when you see them. You also may blush around them, and that just means when your cheeks turn bright red. You also might giggle. And when you giggle like this, that is just a high-pitched laugh. Now, if you all have a crush, let me know down below how you feel. Do you feel like your heart is going to leap out of your chest because you're nervous around them and your heart's beating really fast? Or do you feel tongue-tied or flustered with your words when you talk to them? Let me know down below how you guys feel. Now it's time to teach you guys more Valentine's vocabulary at the store. So I'm going to head to the store and show you guys what they sell for Valentine's Day. I'm inside the first store, and the first thing I see is this abbreviation right here. It says XOXO. And what does that mean? That means hugs and kisses. You can see this abbreviation everywhere. It's on this box of gummies and on this pillow. So X is a kiss, and O is a hug. So if you ever see XOXO on a text message or in your messages, you'll know that it means hugs and kisses. The most common symbol for Valentine's Day is a heart. This is a heart, and it's a symbol of love and affection. The most common Valentine's Day gift is a box of chocolates, and these boxes of chocolates are in the shape of a heart. This is another box of chocolate in the shape of a heart, and it costs $18.99. Not only can you find chocolate in the shape of a heart, well, you can also find chocolate in the shape of a rose. This is a rose. And you can also find chocolate in the shape of lips. These are lips, and these are edible, so you can eat them. If you saw my Christmas vocabulary video, you would know that this store sold gingerbread houses. But now they sell a Valentine's house. I've actually never seen this before, and it looks so cute. This would be a great way to interact with your kids and to hang out with them because you would build a house together. Right now, I'm in the Valentine's Day card section. So behind me, there are a bunch of Valentine's Day cards. And this is a great way to give someone a card because you can write a special message for them. They have Valentine's Day cards for anybody. So over here, they have a romantic and funny card. This one says, "Because you're so special," and has a cat on it. And this says, "Here's a kitten, farting a rainbow. Have a happy and colorful Valentine's Day." And on this card, you can write a special Valentine's Day message and then give it to someone. This card says, "I love you more." And then inside the card it says, "The end, I win. Happy Valentine's Day." And this one caught my eye because on the cover of this card, it has Happy Valentine's Day in different languages. You can also give a Valentine's Day card to your mom. So, of course, if you're her son, you would give this to her because this one says, "A Valentine from your son." It says, "Mom, for every shoe you helped me tie, for all the tears you helped to dry, for every look, Mom, when you looked, for all the cookies that you cooked." This one pops out when you open it. It says, "For every bump and bruise you kissed, for all the games you never missed, for every hug you had to share, for all the times that you were there. I love you more than words can say. You've made me what I am today. Happy Valentine's Day." I just read a poem. This is a poem, and it's a sweet and short message that rhymes. And a poem is a great way to express your feelings for someone. So honestly, this is a great Valentine's Day card. You can find Valentine's Day cards for anyone. They have some for daughters, sons, grandson, granddaughter. So basically, they have Valentine's Day cards for anyone. I may buy a card for my mom or my dad, but let me know down below if you guys are going to give a card to someone and who are you going to give it to? Are you going to give it to your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your son, your daughter? Let me know down below. Another gift to give for St. Valentine's Day is flowers. Personally, flowers are my favorite gift to receive. Let's take a look. These are different types of bouquets of flowers. And this is the cheapest bouquet. It's $7. It's pretty small. This bouquet is $12. These over here are $18. These are $25. These bouquets are $35. And then over here, the most expensive bouquets are $55. You can also buy a bouquet of flowers on DoorDash or Uber Eats, and they'll send these flowers to your home. Wow, look at the difference between this bouquet of flowers and this one. This costs $55 and this costs $7. Which one do you prefer? The big one or the small one? Let me know down below. Wow, look how beautiful this rose is. This looks like a snow globe, and this rose is inside the snow globe. It's just in water. And this costs $14.99. The most common flower for Valentine's Day is a rose. This is a rose, but this is a bouquet of red roses. Red roses are the most common flowers for Valentine's Day, and they are already in a vase. This is a vase. So there are 12 roses in this vase, and 12 is a dozen. There are a dozen roses, and this bouquet costs $50. Let me know down below how much a dozen roses cost in your country where you're from. If you want to buy a present or a gift for your significant other on Valentine's Day, and if they don't like chocolate or red roses, well, you can buy this. You can buy a 6-pack of beer, beef jerky, and some pretzels. They have different types of gift baskets. This one is for a woman, and it has a 6-pack of White Claw beer. It has a body scrub and a sponge. This combination is a little bit unusual for Valentine's Day, but hey, if your significant other likes to drink beer and likes this type of body scrub, it's a great gift. This is a beautiful bouquet of Hershey chocolate bars. So if your significant other doesn't want flowers, but they love chocolate, if they're a chocolate lover, this would be a great gift for Valentine's Day. Of course, if you buy a bouquet of flowers and a vase, you'll obviously put water in the vase. But in this vase, there are M&Ms. Right now, I'm in the bakery section of the grocery store. And here you can find different types of cupcakes, cakes in the shape of a heart, and a lot of the colors are red and pink. Those are the colors for Valentine's Day. I just came from the floral section where you can buy flowers in the grocery store, but over here you can also find things to buy for Valentine's Day. Behind me there are a bunch of different chocolate and candy, but over here another gift you can buy for your significant other are stuffed animals. And look at this. This is a teddy bear, and it looks kind of like my puppy Ozuna. By the way, if you guys haven't watched my video about dog vocabulary, go ahead and check it out because I just uploaded it. Okay everybody, that's all for today's video. And I want to wish you all happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys will spend a nice Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and give me a super thanks if you enjoy my channel. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!